Do you think Putin's money making machine is running on empty? So Russia's growth has fallen from about 5% to near zero since late 2024. That's Goldman Sachs. They got a high frequency index tracking real time activity, kind of like looking at how much people are spending. So their economy catch up is over. Since 2022, Moscow's poured tons of money into munition plants, new China India supply lines, and other war economy projects. Now, by mid 2024, real fixed capital spending was like 23% higher than in late 2021. All of that spending pushed their budget deficit to 2.7 trillion rubles. That might be like $31 billion. And that's back in 2025. Now, that one off build out boost has run its course. So they spent that money. Then you look at high interest rates that are slowing growth. You think it's bad in America. In Russia, inflation ran over 10% in early 2025. That sucks. It's driven by wage hikes, up 18% since last year. And there are labor shortages from conscription into the army and emigration, people getting the heck out of Dodge. Now, to fight prices, the central bank there held its key rate at 21%. Imagine paying 21% for a mortgage or higher. That's the highest in Russia since the early 2000s. That makes loans really expensive. So businesses are going to push off investments. Consumers end up hiding cash instead. Now, you've got an oil price squeeze going on and really soft demand. So you've got global trade tensions and weaker growth forecasts for China that cut oil prices a lot. Now, that means oil's super cheap. Now, Russia has oil and gas export revenue. It's forecast to fall 15% since last year. The IMF has trimmed China's 2025 growth forecast a little bit so that it hits the demand for Russian crude oil. Now, this matters. If there's no more war economy surge, that means there's no extra growth engine. Those high interest rates, slow hiring, investment, and consumer spending. And falling oil revenue is directly going to hurt the amount of money the government has to spend. So Russia's got three big headwinds: structural, monetary, and external. They've combined to stall Russia's engine. Now, Putin might welcome lower inflation, but the sudden stall in the economy risks draining the war chest, blowing the economy even further, which is good news. Indirectly, it kind of looks like Saudi Arabia has declared war on Russia simply by pumping a ton of oil out, dropping prices, and bankrupting Russia's money making machine. Kind of